Hi students, good morning. Now here we are going to see chapter 1 part 13. In before session we have completed our exercise 1.1, right? So note it down. I already told you. If you have any doubt, note it down in your fair work in the last page. We can give some explanation while when we are seeing. Okay. Now we are going to say exercise 1.2 here. Yes. So what is 1.2? The introduction of the subtraction of integer. The main thing what we are going to apply in this exercise is subtraction of integer, that you already know that we have did more and more example sums in by the more and more example sum in the basis of subtraction of integer. So by using the help of that example sums, we are going to do all the sums. Okay, now it is very simple for you to give the answer. Okay, we are so now we have did in addition of integers, right? So we have did some sums in addition of integer. The same thing is going to be followed here. Okay, the rule should not be changed. What is the rule? Minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, then minus into minus is plus. So likewise here also we are going to apply the same thing here. Okay, now can we start the session? Okay, now the first thing of exercise 1.2 is fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks, we are going to do it. Okay, now the first question in fill in the blanks is minus 44 plus dash equal to minus 88. So what is the how we can find the answer? In addition also we did some sums like this, right? So by using that type we are going to do the sum. So now in that dash, that is in the dash place, what we have to write? There we have to write a. Yes, we can write it as a, and then we can easily convert the things and we can easily find out the value. So here I am going to just change this dash as a. So now minus 44 plus a equal to minus 88. So we have to find a here. So we are just writing it as a. Okay, now how we can find it? Now this number should go this side, right? So while going this side only we can find the value of a alone. So we want the value of a alone. So this number should go this side. So how it will? So it is in minus. While it is going after the equations equalate symbol, what will happen? It will be changed as addition. So you can simply write this a here. A equal to, just write this 88. Then while it is coming this side, it will be changed as plus 44. Okay, can you understand? So while it is in subtraction, when it comes after equivalent symbol, it will be changed as addition, and when it is in addition, when it is in addition, if it comes the after equivalent symbol, it will be changed as subtraction. Okay, this is a common rule. You all must know this rule. Okay, now next thing is, now we have to do the same simplification, that is here minus, here plus. So minus into plus, it's minus. So we have to subtract subtract the numbers. Then we have to see the biggest number symbol. So the biggest number symbol here comes is 88. So 88 has negative symbol, so our answer also should be in negative form. Okay, then what we have to do? Then we have to subtract the two numbers. So 88, 44. So while we are subtracting 8 from 4, what will happen? 8 minus 4 is 4. Then here also 8 minus 4 is 4. So our answer is 44. That is here minus 44. So we have to write that minus 44 here. So a, right? So here a is minus 44. Clear? Can you understand? Okay, so we are going to, so we have taken dash as a. So by the help of that we simplify the sum, and we have find the value of a, and we are taking that value a and we are substituting in the dash place. It is in the question place, right? So likewise we are going to do all the sums. Okay, the next second sum is dash minus 75 equal to minus 45. As usual for dash, what we are going to substitute there? A. So a minus 75 equal to minus 45, right? Okay, Now what we have to do, we have to find the value of a alone. So for finding the value of a alone, what we will do, this minus 45 should go this side. So how it will be changed? It is in subtraction form. When it goes this side, what will happen? It will be changed as plus. So a you have to write as it is, then here minus 45, then here plus 75, right? So plus 75. Okay, now what we have to do, so we have to do the simple subtraction, simple form of addition or subtraction by using the rules. So here minus into plus, what minus into plus is minus, so we have to subtract the numbers. Okay, then we have to see the biggest number symbol. So here biggest number symbol is what? 75 is the biggest number, so it contains addition symbol, so we can write it as addition. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to subtract the two numbers. So 75 minus 45. Okay, we have to subtract it. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 4, 3. So here 30, that is plus 30 means you can simply write it as 30. So what is the value of a? It is 30. So we are going to take the value of a and we are going to write it in here. Write it here. So our answer is 30. So 30 minus 75 equal to minus 45. You can, if you want to check your answer whether you are done is correct or not, you can easily check it down. How means you have to subtract these two values. See, you can subtract these two value. Okay, while subtracting you have to get this answer. If you get this answer means your answer, what you have got as A is correct. If you didn't got this as answer means your answer is wrong. Clear? So this is also a trick, you can use it and see. Okay, now the next third question is dash minus plus 50 equal to minus 80. Dash minus plus 50 equal to minus 80 as usual. So for dash, what we have to write here? For dash we have to write it as a. So a minus the same thing plus 50 equal to minus 80. Okay, now next what we have to do, we have to change the number this side. So while changing, so here it is plus, here it is minus, means minus into plus minus. So here it is minus 50 now. So a minus 50 equal to minus 80. So next what we have to do, we have to change this minus 50 this side. So while changing minus 50 this side, it will be converted as plus 50. So a equal to minus 80. You have to write this number as it is, minus 80 plus 50. Clear? Okay, next we have to see the rule. So while seeing the rule, what will happen? Minus into plus minus, minus into plus is minus. Okay, next minus into plus minus. Next what we have to do, we have to see the biggest number symbol. So which is the biggest number here? 80 is the biggest number. So 80 means it contains a negative form, so we have to write the negative form of a number in the answer. So likewise what we have to do, now we are going to subtract these two numbers. So 80 minus 50. So 80 minus 50 means we have to subtract these two numbers, right? So while subtracting these two numbers, 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 5 is what? 8 minus 5, it is 3. So your answer is 30. So that is minus 30. So your value of a is minus 30. So you have to write this minus 30 in the dash. So clear? Can you understand how we have to do it? So if they gave you a question to fill in the blanks, means you have to fill that blank place as a, and then with the help of simplification process you have to do the sum, and you have to instead the what is the rule, you have to maintain the rule there also. So while you maintaining the rule only, then only you can get the answer easily. So you have to maintain the rule here, and then you have to see which one is biggest. So by that, then we have to write the biggest number symbol. Then we have to see that whether we have to add or whether we have to subtract. So then we can add or subtract, then we have to write the answer, then we have to fill that blank space, right? Can you understand? Can you understand how we have to fill in the blanks? We have to complete that sums and all. Okay, now the second question is say true or false. Okay, now we are going to write true or false. I already told you true or false means what. True means whether the given statements is true na, அதாவது அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்க ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் if it is correct means you have to write it as true. அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்க ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் கரெக்ட் இல்லை, அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்கிறது தப்புன்னு சொன்னால் you have to write it as false. Okay, you know that already. Okay, now we can see say true or false. So we have to do the sum completely, then only we can get whether it is true or false. Okay, now the first question is minus 675 minus 400 equal to minus 1075. Clear? So this is the question what they have given. So the question they have given, now we have to simplify that and we have to get the answer, right? Okay, now as usual you can take this and write it here. Minus 675 minus 400. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to simplify it, right? So minus into minus is what? Plus into minus. Clear? So what we have to do here? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction. So we have to subtract the value. Okay, now here which one is the biggest number? 675 or 400 is the biggest number? Which one is biggest? 675 is the biggest number. So what is a sign? It has a negative sign. So our answer should be in negative sign. So it is in negative sign. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to subtract the two numbers, right? We have to subtract these two numbers. So we can subtract it now. That is 675 400. So you have to subtract it. Yes, so 5 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 0, 7. 6 minus 4, 2. So our answer is 275. So we have simplified the question and we have got minus 275 as our answer. This is our answer, but in book they have given it as minus 1075. So which one is correct here? Whether we did correctly or in book they did correctly? We did correctly. Yes, we have mentioned the rules and we have checked which one is the biggest number. We have written the symbol of the biggest number, then we subtracted the value and then we got 275 as our value. But they have given the answer as minus 1075. Okay, now whether it is correct or not, what we did is correct. So it is correct. So our answer is false. ஸோ நம்ம போட்டது தானே கரெக்டாக, அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்க ஆன்சர் ராங் இல்லையா? ஸோ அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்க ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் வந்து ராங் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட், நம்மளோட ஆன்சர் தான் கரெக்ட், அதனால் அவங்களோட ஆன்சர் தப்பு. அதனால் நம்ம என்ன எழுதுகிறோங்க? It is false. Okay, next the second question. 15 minus 18 is the same as 15 plus 18. Okay, so now we have to take this. What is the question they are asking? What is the question they are asking? இந்த நம்பரும் சேமா, சரியா? ஸோ இந்த நம்பர் வந்து இந்த நம்பர் மாதிரி இருக்கா அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. நம்ம அதுக்கு எப்படி ஆன்சர் சொல்ல முடியும்? ஸோ ஹவு வி கேன் கிவ் த ஆன்சர்? ஸோ ஃபார் தட் கிவிங் த ஆன்சர் we have to find the value for both the number. Yes, so while finding the value for both the numbers, we can easily give whether the two numbers what they have given is same or not. Okay, now we are going to take that two numbers. So 15 minus 18 one side and 15 plus 18 as another side. Okay, now what we are going to do? We have to simplify the same thing. Let us say minus into minus plus. Yes, minus into minus plus, and here it will be changed as plus. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add these two numbers. While seeing the biggest number, it is 8, so it contains plus symbol. So it contains plus symbol means your answer should be in plus. So now what we have to do, we have to add these two numbers, right? So 18 plus 15. So while adding these two numbers, what will be your answer? 5 plus 8 is what? 5 plus 8 is, so 5 plus 8 is 13. 3 here, remaining 1 will be here. Then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 33. So we have written it as plus 33, and we can write simply 33, right? Okay, so if they have given plus means we can write it simply as 33. Okay, then here also we have to add 15 plus 8, so we will get the same answer as 33, right? So here also 33, here also 33. So these two numbers also same. Idu rendume what we are getting as an answer. If that two numbers are same means our question is also same. புரியுதா? இந்த ரெண்டு ஆன்சருமே நம்மளுக்கு சேமாக தான் இருக்குது. அதனால இந்த ரெண்டு கொஷின்ஸுமே எப்படி இருக்கும்? சேமாக தான் இருக்கும். Clear? So that statement what they have given is true. Clear? Okay, now the third question. So third question what they have given, minus 45 minus 8 equal to minus 8 minus 45. Here also the same thing they have given. So இந்த நம்பரும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்குது அப்படின்றது அவங்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. But we have to check whether it is equal or not. Okay, it can be neither equal nor equal, so we have to check it and then we have to give the answer there. Okay, now we have to check these two numbers. Now just we can take it and write it here. So minus 45 minus 8. Okay, you can just put it as line now. So minus 8 minus 45. Clear? Okay, now what we have to do, we have to insert the rule there. Minus into minus plus, here plus into minus. So minus means here also it will be minus. Now next what we have to do, we have to see the biggest number symbol. Which is the biggest number here? 45 is the biggest number. So 45 contains negative symbol, so our answer will be in negative form. Okay, then what we have to do, then we have to see the operation, whether it is addition or subtraction. So it is subtraction, so we have to subtract these two numbers. So while subtracting 45 and 8, what will be your answer? Okay, now here we cannot subtract 5 and 8, so we have to borrow it from the next number. So here 3, here 1. So 15 minus 8. Well, 15 minus 8 means you have to count it 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can count it and write, no problem. Okay, so it is 7. So 7 fingers I have counted, no, so we have to write it as 7 here. Then that remaining 3 should come here. So here your answer will be 37. That is minus 37 is your answer for one side of this question. And next side we are going to find it, that is minus into minus plus into minus. So here also it is minus. Okay, next what we have to see, we have to see the biggest number. So here biggest number means 45. So 45 contains a negative form of the number, so negative form means minus. Okay, so minus, then we have to subtract both this number, that is 45 minus 8. So the same thing, so 45 minus 8 means 37. So here also it is 37. So this side also 37, this side also 37. So both the values are equal, right? So this whether the answer of the both questions are equal means the questions also will be equal. Clear? So these two numbers are equal and these two questions are equal. So what they have given as a statement is also true. Clear? How we have to find true or false? You have to simplify the question what they have given, then only you will be easily identify the whether the statement is true or false. Okay, now the third question is, fill in the find the value of the following. So find the value of the following. Simply they said, now what we have to do is, the first question is minus 3 minus 4 using number line. So using number line, if they gave you as use number line, you have to use the number line and then only you have to give the answer. Okay, so likewise they have given minus 3 minus 4 using number line. Okay, what we have to do, we have to just write that, simplify it and you have to write it and then you have to substitute in the number line. So first is minus, so just write this number as it is, minus 3, then you have to see minus into minus plus, so plus 4. So this is our question. We have simplified that question in simplest form, that's all. Then we have to draw the number line. So from here we can start it. So here 0 1 2 3 4 5, this side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Okay, so till minus 4 I have written here. So first number is what? So the first number what they have given is minus 3. So we have to move minus 3, that is 3 units in the left hand side. Why? It is in negative form, so we are going to move in the left hand side. So from 0 we have to move how many units? 3 units. So from 0 1 2 3, so you will be here. Then what they have given? Plus 4. So plus 4 means which side? Plus positive numbers and all will be in the right hand side of the 0. So we have to move this side how many units? 4 units. So from 3 I am going to move 4 units, that is here 1 2 3 4. So you will be in 1. So your answer here comes as 1. Clear? So minus 3 plus 4 equal to 1. Okay, likewise we are going to do the next sum also. So just we have to simplify it now. So 7 minus into minus plus, so 7 minus into minus plus, that 10. Then what we have to do? We have to draw the number line. So from here I am going to start. So both are in addition form, so our answer will be also in the addition form. So we can start from here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Okay, now what we have to do? Now we have to see the numbers. So first one is 7. So from 0 we have to move 7 units in right hand side. Why? It is just they have given it as 7. So if they didn't give any operation, means we have to consider it as addition. So from 0 we have to move 7 units. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we will be standing this 7th units, that is in 7. Then what is the number they have given? That is plus 10. So plus 10 means from here we have to move 10 units in the right hand side. So here from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you will be in 17, right? So your answer here it is 17. So 7 plus 10 equal to 17. You can simply give the answer by saying the question itself. Ma'am, edukku ma'am ivlo perusu podnom, idu paathone na answer solven ma'am. You can say like that, but you should not do. Why? Means they have given using number line. So you have to use the number line and then only you have to give the answer. Okay, clear? Okay, then the third question. So what is the third question they have given? That is 35 minus 64. 35 minus 64. So the same simplification process we are going to do here also. That is 35 minus 64 means minus into minus plus. So here we have to add. So here also it will be changed as plus, right? So how we can write it as 35 plus 64. Now which one is the biggest number here? 64 is the biggest number. So 64 contains a positive form of the operation. So our answer will be in the positive form. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers, right? We have to add these two numbers. So 35 64. So while adding 5 plus 4 is 9 3 plus 6 is 9. So our answer will be 99. That is plus 99. We can simply write it as 99. Can you understand? So you have to do more and more sums by using these types of rules. Okay, now the last sum, that is fourth sum, that is minus 200 minus plus 100, minus 200 minus plus 100. So how we can simplify it? So here minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus, so we have to add these two number. Okay, now what we have to see? So see here it is minus plus, right? Here it is minus plus. So now just we can change here as, that is minus 200 minus into plus, that is minus 100. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to see the biggest number symbol, right? So what is the biggest number symbol here? 200. So 200 has negative form, so negative form means subtraction symbol. So then what we have to do? We have to add these two number. So 200 plus 100. So while we are adding these two numbers, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is minus 300. Clear? So minus 300 will be our answer. So in this session what we have learned is a basic thing for us to conclude all the answers in the next session, that is in part 14. You have to apply these basic thing to the next type of sums, that is statement problem. We are going to see next in next session. So we have to be very clear about these types of sums. See, இப்போ வந்து கொஷினை பார்த்தோன்னே எங்களுக்கு தோணும் மேம் இது ரொம்ப ஈஸி மேம், என்னால் நீங்கள் நம்பர் லைன் போடாமலே என்னால் போட முடியும். ஸோ no, you should not do like that. If they gave you to do the number line means you have to do the number line. அங்கே நீங்கள் நம்பர் லைன் போடல அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் your answer will not be correct. நீங்கள் கரெக்டாகவே ஆன்சர் போட்டிருந்தாலும் your answer will not be a correct answer. Okay, so keep it in mind. What is a question asked? Please read thrice or twice. So it will take time, no problem. Please read twice or thrice. Your syllabus is not that much heavy. Okay, very simple. This is a basic thing for you to you will study in 10th, 11th and 12th. It is a basic thing you are studying now. Okay, so you have to recall all the things daily. You have to do all the sums daily, right? You have to do it daily, side by side. Keep your book. You can just write the test with the help of your book also. Okay, students, take care. Bye. Thank you.